morning, hooligans. Okay. Hi guys. As you guys know, I am living alone in my apartment in Vancouver. If you haven't seen my move-in video, go watch that. Today is a Saturday and I'm trying to have like work-life balance. I'm trying not to like do work on Saturdays. Actually, that point is moot. I am going to be doing work today and I'm also filming today. Okay, anyway, I'm trying to have like a work-life balance, which means that I'm trying to actually like have a life, you know, have hot girl summer. I think morning Jen is like the most annoying Jen, so you're just gonna have to bear with me. But today I have a lot of fun things planned. Well, first of all, I have a couple work things. I also have to clean the place because I'm hanging out with my friends today. We're going biking. We are going to the pool. My building has this really insane pool, so I booked it out for an hour for us to like be alone and chill and use the pool. It's gonna be really fun, and then they're just gonna come over and we're gonna hang at the apartment. The reason why I invited them to come over is because my friend Sabrina and I are like obsessed with F1 racing. The French Grand Prix is like tomorrow morning at like 6 a.m. and so she's gonna stay over and we're gonna wake up early to watch the race. Who am I? Who am I? When I tell you, like, I literally did not care about cars before, like even like 2 months ago. Now, how far we have fallen. It's so annoying because racing is such like a rich white person sport type of thing. Let me tell you, Netflix Drive to Survive hooked me in. What can I say? I'm a McLaren gal. I'm a Ferrari gal now. Can you guys please watch Drive to Survive so I don't feel so alone? This is my life now, I guess. Anyway, let me brush my teeth so I become less annoying. Hello, welcome to the bed where the magic doesn't happen. But like I said, what did I say? I'm going to brunch in about like an hour, so I have to clean, do laundry, put on my makeup. I also have to film a little sponsorship thing. Okay, I kind of have a lot to do in like an hour. I'm just gonna do a little bit of cleaning and laundry so that everything is like nice for when they get here. Living here has really, like, I feel like a changed woman. I am thriving, and I can confidently say that because I've been happy for like multiple days in a row. That is such a foreign feeling to me. I don't know about you. This is maybe like the most happiness I've felt continuously, maybe ever. Maybe I do be a Vancouver girly. Before this, I really didn't like Vancouver. I thought it was so boring. Now that I'm like living alone in my own apartment downtown in the city, I just feel so much more alive and productive and actually like useful. I think this whole time I've just been craving like independence. I also realized that I am a city gal. Like, I just really love being in the hustle and bustle, being able to actually walk places and like walk out and I can like get some food or get groceries. Girly do be 23 years old, so it makes sense that I want independence. But I think I'm just a late bloomer because I finally am like ready to be on my own and like I'm actually like interested in like dating. Who said that? Not me. I don't know, it's just really nice to like feel happiness. It's like everything that I've ever dreamed of my young adult life to be, like living on my own, being productive, like actually kind of having a work-life balance, which is amazing. And sometimes we'll like go out for drinks. I feel like I'm in a movie. Like I feel like I'm the protagonist for maybe the first time in my life. I genuinely wish the same for all of you. I hope that you guys will all feel the same way this summer or sometime soon, because bro, being happy is lit, and that is all. Wish you all the best. Makeup time! What time is it? Oh shoot, I gotta go. You gotta go. No, but we gotta go. Aren't you coming? Oh my god. I'm trying to act out the scene from Camp Rock 2 where Joe and Demi and like, you know that scene that's like,
but you gotta go.
But we gotta go. Are you coming? Never mind. Oh, I should put on contacts today. It takes me a while to do this. Here's a little recap of my prescription journey. My prescription used to go up to like a negative 2.75 in one of these eyes. But then over the years, through healthy habits of watching Netflix in the dark on my phone and just like staring at my screen all day, my eyesight has improved. Now I'm at a negative 1.5. I don't know what to tell you guys. Some people out here saying that looking at your screen is bad. My eyesight is telling a different story. Conspiracy theory? No, I'm just kidding. Actually, you definitely should not be looking at your screen all day. Avoid it if you can. I don't know what kind of sorcery is going on with my eyeballs, but it's not normal. Okay, you know, I have to be silent for this. I'm crying. Okay, we're in. So I'm supposed to wear glasses or contacts like every day. Honestly, I'm too lazy and I just like can't be bothered to wear either of them every day. I kind of just walk through life a little bit blind, but I think that's honestly what's helped my eyesight get better. I don't know if it's like a myth that like glasses make your eyesight worse, but today I actually want to, oh my god, it's so HD. I'm like looking outside for the first time with like contacts on. It's so clear. Anyway, today I actually wanted to see, because we're going biking and stuff, so I want to like see the view, where we're going, and like street signs and that kind of stuff. I need to go like now, so I'm gonna do my basic stuff, which is basically blush, which makes me look instantly more alive. Okay, you know what? That's good enough for now. Let's head on over to brunch. Why aren't you moving? Okay. So we're at this brunch place called a Social Corner. I think it's actually, well, it's not like a Calcified.
Grace Vanderwall.
Anyway, we are brunchy ladies. We were supposed to go to another place, but the wait was like an hour long.
First place that we were supposed to go to was 3 hours.
Oh yeah, but those are like really popular places and it's a Saturday. We are at this place instead and it's so cute. I've walked by this place so many times and I've wanted to come. It's like so cute. Did you see like the dinner prices? They're like a little bit pricey.
The burger was $36.
Yeah, but I'm really excited for our food. We do be hungry. What, mate? Okay,
We need to stop.
it looks so good. Okay, Amanda got the same thing. I was thinking about getting the bravas. I had that when I went to Barcelona.
Oh my god.
And it was like honestly like the best food I've ever had in my life.
They're like,
It's not Barcelona, it's Barcelona.
Barcelona.
Which technically is true.
That's like when people are like, it's not charcuterie board, technically. It's not croissant. It's poisson.
Yolk check.
For a while, so I'm chilling. But like,
Wait, the potatoes go off.
small, are these small, like, what are they called, restaurant?
Honestly, any form of potato,
It's amazing.
I have not met a potato I didn't like.
I agree. It's got like the sour and the creamy. This is amazing. Hi guys, I went back home and now we are at Stanley Park.
I stand Stanley Park.
It's so pretty. Like these are the flowers. It's the rose garden. I haven't been here in quite a while. I'm with Sabrina and Amanda. She loves it and she wants to come back to film a little doodling. So right now we're going biking. Like how cute and like exercise of me to like be outside and do things, you know? What's different between now and before is like I'm actually excited to do it. Like I'm excited to be breathing fresh oxygen. Girly is like a brand new human. And I also was FaceTiming my friend Jesse the other day and he was like, it feels like I'm talking to future you. And I'm like, whoa! I feel like I usually have my life is like a mess, but like these past 2 weeks I feel very powerful. I can actually control the fate of my life. I feel like I need to return to some self-deprecation. This is like too much positivity. We're biking. So cute of us.
at the lighthouse.
Get in, losers.
It has been a fiasco. Essentially, we finished biking at Stanley Park. By the time we got back, we had like 10 minutes left of the pool slot from 6 to 7. It is currently like 7:10. We got down to the lobby at like 6:50. There was like a giant line for the elevator. By the time we got up to the pool, it was like 7 o'clock and then we had to leave. So we're just chilling at the apartment now. We're gonna go get tacos and then we're gonna try to like go see the sunset on a mountain or something. It's so pretty, but you can't see outside. Oh, can you? Wow, look at the view. Anyway, see you when we have tacos. Hi guys, we are at Taco Fina and it's so cute in here. We got a spot outside. Wait, this is aesthetic. Oh my god. Oh. It is 1:30 a.m. and Amanda and Jonathan left and we've just been watching like F1 content and like a bunch of vlogs. I'm very tired. We gotta wake up early tomorrow for the F1 race. It's also Father's Day, so I'm gonna meet up with my family. But I had such a great day today. Went outside, was active, and like did some productive work too. Hi guys, I have washed off my makeup. It's time to take off my contacts. Let's see how long it takes me to take off my contacts because this usually takes me a while. Amanda taught me this trick to take them off where you kind of like squeeze it out using your eyelids so that you don't have to like touch your eyeball. We'll try it out. I don't understand like the mechanism. Bro, it like doesn't.
She said like pull it up past your.
I am, but dude, I just have like smaller eyes, bro. Like I'm trying.
Do you have something against like touching your eye though?
No, but it just like takes me a long time because like I also have long fingernails and my eyes are small, so like fingers don't fit in my eye. I have to like dry out my eyes so that I can like grip onto the contact. But if it's really wet, I can't, like it's too slippery. Let me just. Okay, I got it out. Okay. And also what I like to do is I like to rip them up because it's just fun.
Oh, do you use daily contacts?
Yeah. Well, it feels so much better. I don't know how long that took me. I've been recording for 4 minutes. That's a little embarrassing. The point is we arrived there in the end. We're just gonna get ready for bed. It's been a very fun day. I feel like I've been experiencing like a new part of life. Experiencing like a lot of happiness lately, which is like a wish day. Again, I hope that you guys are all thriving. I'm gonna get ready for bed, but thank you for hanging out with me. I will see you guys next time. Bye!